Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how you can change your age on TikTok. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump into video. And please remember, TikTok doesn't allow you to change your age directly. So follow my steps to how you can change your age. First, you need to open TikTok in your smartphone. Just tap on that icon. It will take a small time to load complete. After the loading, you can see there is a profile icon in bottom right corner. Just tap on it. Okay, it will move you into your profile page. After that, you can see there is a three lines in top right corner. Just tap on it. Then this pop-up menu appear. Choose the third option, setting and privacy. Then what you have to do is scroll down until you find report a problem under the support and about section. Just tap on report a problem. Okay, now there are a bunch of options here. You need to select the first option, account and profile. Tap on it. Okay, it will open this drop down menu. Choose the editing profile option. Okay, there are a bunch of uh, options here, but there is no option called change your age, so you need to choose the last one. Okay, now you need to scroll down until you find need more help. Tap on it. Then you can see the AI is going for your help. You need to send a message. Tap on it, and you have to send this kind of message. Hi, I was entered my birthday wrong. Now I need to change that to right one and tap on send. Okay, it will shows this message. Please submit your request using this form. Just tap on this icon form. It will open web browser and you have to fill this form. Enter this topic. Check the thing you need to change according to this situation. I think general account inquiries. No, the change account information is better. Just tap on it. Then click the drop down in category section. Just tap on other because the change age option is not here, and you have to enter your email, username, and you need to type that message I previously showed again here. And this is optional, you don't need to add this, and you need to double tick these options. After, tap on submit. Once you submit this request, TikTok account help center will contact you as immediately. It will it will take maximum 2 days. After they contact you, you need to sometime they will ask you for your identification. You need to give it to them. Then after you can allow you to they will allow you to change your age. So that's how you can change your age on TikTok. So I hope you gain some knowledge from this. Thank you very much.